Yeah.
So Mom's making vegetable soup. She's using Aunt Kathy's cabbage casserole to start it. She's doing it in the crock pot. She put in some diced tomatoes. And now she's going to put in the leftover cabbage. It's cabbage and kidney beans and kielbasa.
I think that's all gone.
Oh, all the kielbasa's gone? That's what I was going to ask. So she's starting it in the crock pot. Then we're going to add zucchini and green beans and carrots and potatoes.
No, there's already carrots. You can have carrots in here.
Oh, okay. Don't need to add carrots then. And corn and peas at the very last few minutes. It's delicious. If you've never had it, you're missing out.
Aunt Kathy and I used to make cabbage soup all the time. A nice piece of chocolate in it.
She's throwing something away.
Kielbasa.
Oh, no
Dad doesn't
kielbasa.
like it, right?
Yeah, but he did like it.
Yeah, I was sort of
I
surprised.
think it gave it a lot of flavor. He's always afraid of fat.
Is he?
He's afraid of hidden fat.
Yeah.
I was telling Margie about the... No.
Well, that's good though that he watches.
Healthy.
Thank
Yes.
God.
Good blood pressure. No cholesterol.
Good. Now, is that turkey kielbasa that she added or just regular?
No, it could be.
You never know with Aunt Kathy.
Yeah.
She doesn't necessarily skimp.
But one day she's healthy and the other she's not.
Right. That's kind of like me.
Me too.
I was telling Margie about the beef with the
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Coke and the chili sauce.
Oh, I can't.
Yes,
That's what
good.
she said. I'm trying it. I want to try your soups like you guys do too. Like the V8. I've heard of it and when she
This
said it
has
again, yeah.
V8 in here.
I thought, what a great idea.
And I do my like cabbage rolls with V8
Do you?
and stuffed peppers.
I love V8.
Oh, they're so good.
Yum, I can't wait. And I make soup for my clients. Like they love my homemade chicken soup. But I was telling Maria that I made beef soup and they can't have a lot of sodium. And it's so hard because all they have is like beef bouillon. And they, you know what I mean, everything that has sodium in it. And if you don't add anything, really the beef, not, unlike the chicken, it doesn't give much flavor. And like, you have to have something in the broth. So I thought V8,
It is. It's really good. A lot of times I make another fresh vegetable that I put little meatballs in.
That's what she said. That
And
sounds
I'll
awesome.
put a little low sodium chicken stock in that.
Yeah, like that is good too, but they didn't have anything. They didn't have any of that neither. Do you like chicken stock in your chicken better than anything else? Like when you make chicken soup, or do you use something different?
My mom was always with chicken soup. I always have trouble getting it tasty enough.
Right. The more practice you get, because that was with me, my mom made the best chicken soup. The more I have made it, the better I get.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So now
I would take my chicken bones with lots of meat on them and do a stock and think, oh, this is going to be great. And it was like blah.
I know, it is hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
You